Good afternoon, sir. My name is Praful Bele and I'm from collegedunia.com. Very warm welcome to you on our interview series, which is called Thoughts on Education, where we interview various dignitaries such as the owners, directors, and HODs of various universities and colleges. Before starting the interview, I would request you to kindly give a brief introduction of yourself and then we can proceed ahead with the interview, sir.
Hello Praful, nice to have you over here. I am Dr. Mushtaque Shaikh. I am head of the Department of Pharmaceutical Chemistry at VES College of Pharmacy, which is situated at Chembur, Mumbai. And as I said, I've been heading the department in the capacity of Associate Professor of Chemistry.
So, sir, that was really great to have an introduction of you. Now, let's go to the first question of this interview series, and that is, what keeps you connected with the education sector, and how has your experience been so far with the institute?
Yeah, it had been a very nice opportunity. Matter of fact, I would say that this is something I was really looking forward. This is one field where you keep on interacting with the new generation. And this is one field I can say that we don't have a kind of generation gap. And it is a kind of a very nice feeling when your students perform very well, they go ahead in their career. So that sense of satisfaction has always kept me going and going on.
Sir, being the HOD of Vivekananda Education Society's College of Pharmacy, what are your roles and responsibilities towards the students?
Perfect. At VS College of Pharmacy, we kind of do a participative management. So each and every faculty member is involved, and so is the case with head of the departments. So our role starts from day one, actually I should say. When, for example, some syllabus is being framed, something need to be communicated to Pharmacy Council of India or University of Mumbai in regard to syllabus framing, or maybe orienting the faculty member for the syllabus. That is at the level of syllabus creation. Second level will be how the students are performing, how the faculty are able to convey their information and knowledge in a lucid manner to the student. So what we do, we keep on visiting the laboratories, we keep on visiting the classrooms if the syllabus is delivered in a right manner or not. Secondly, what we also do, the administrative part, that if chemicals and supplies are in enough amount, and if in case some student needs counseling, that is also onto the HODs.
Sir, how do you try to bring in practical approach towards the subjects and make it more industry oriented?
Again, a very interesting question. Chemistry is something that really needs a practical hands, and as everybody would agree with me that chemistry needs kind of a personal attention, because you cannot do everything in the classroom. Sometimes they have to be imagining the things, right? So with that thought, practical hands-on is really important, and at VS College of Pharmacy, this particular aspect is very keenly noted. As I said, we keep on visiting laboratories, we keep on seeing that the instructions for the practical, they are given proper manner, hand-holding is done in a proper manner. Beyond that, what we do is very interesting about VS College of Pharmacy. We keep on doing beyond the syllabus experiment, which is very typical about our institute, and also as that skills and knowing the what is going on the field. We keep on doing a lot of industrial visit. We keep on holding some talks and webinars by all the dignitaries from industry, and that's how we keep our students updated about the recent advancement in the sciences.
Sir, what would you like people to know about your institute they may not know?
Definitely, yes. There are many things that I would think that people may not know, and it will be interesting to know. First and foremost, the transparency at the VS College of Pharmacy is amazing. Be it admission process, be it fees. I mean, we don't take any extra fees from any student. The scholarship is disbursed properly in a very transparent and lucid manner. Other than that, I would like to share with the audiences that at our college, we do a lot of initiatives so that each and every individual students are involved, which we can call that student-centric approaches are followed. Other than that, a lot of things our college is doing. Like recently, we have announced something called as Digital Academy. I mean, the student will be able to learn things beyond their classes at our institute level. Secondly, something which I would like to tell the audience is that we also have connection with the institutes. Like we have a lot of MOUs we have a lot of welfare measures which institute only does. We have something called as DSIR 0 registration. These things are something very unique about our college, and obviously everybody will be knowing this particular fact that our college is the only college, I suppose, in pharmacy field as far as in our region is, which has got A plus ranking in its first round of cycle of the accreditation.
So, any suggestions you would like to give to the current youth and the aspiring students?
Right, student must be hearing, right, that innovation is the buzzword these days, right? So innovation will happen only when the students or the individuals are self-motivated, as well as they have proper set of knowledge, and plus most important, the skill set, right? So if all these three things you have in your basket, definitely will do the best. So that's what we intend to do at our institute, that we impart all these three qualities to our student, that is skill, knowledge, and as well as the innovative mindset.
Sir, it has been a pleasure talking and interacting with you today, and to listen to your views on our interview series, that is Thoughts on Education. I thank you on behalf of the College Dunia team, and we wish you all the very best for your future endeavors. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, and best of luck to all students.